Hello everyone, this is Tariq Saffarini of Saffarini Vlog, and today I'm taking you with me to one of the oldest ruins in the world, Cardo Maximus in Jerash, Jordan. Cardo Maximus was built by the Roman Empire 2000 years ago. So this is the entrance of the street where you can buy souvenirs that represent the Jordanian culture at a reasonable price. This main street was used as the main commercial line for selling all the items and goods like spices and food. Imagine that those smooth stones became so smooth due to the huge number of people that stepped on it from over 2000 years ago. And it also has some bendings in it due to the large number of people that stepped on it. They also used large stones to keep the buildings cold in the hot weather and also to keep them hot in the cold weather. And these large steps lead also to the stadium of the Roman Empire, which we are going to see right now. We can also see this place that was used for horse racing and bullfighting back in ancient times of the Roman Empire. Exactly like the Roman Colosseum, which was historically used for horse races and fighting as well. This is a form of entertainment meant to captivate and distract the crowds and the audience in ancient times. And for the record, the ancient Romans mastered the use of concrete and stone, shaping their structures into arcs, because arcs do not just look beautiful, but they also carry weight with extreme strength and balance. It was a genius engineering concept centuries ahead of its time, and it was also used for designing bridges and buildings in many places like Italy and Germany 2000 years ago. This is also for maintaining strength and durability of the structure itself. We can also see this main road of Jerash 2000 years ago back at the Roman Empire times. So as I mentioned before, this road was used for commercial purposes during that period. So this is the entrance to the second part of the street through Hadrian's Ark, which was built specially for Emperor Hadrian when he visited Jerash 2000 years ago, and this massive ark was built to celebrate his visit. And this part of the street contains the main buildings and features and ruins. And now we are going to continue to walk down this street as we still have so much to cover, and we still have the Hippodrome of Jerash and so many other things and ruins to cover. So stay with me. So this is the Hippodrome of Jerash. Hippodrome actually is the ancient Gerasean name for horse and chariot racing stadium. So this is the place where horses and chariots used to race back at the Roman Empire time. We can also see how big is the stadium, and we can also see the length of the street. It contains more than 1,000 columns, and this alone just indicates how big and tall is the street of the Hippodrome. And for your information, the Romans have not only been to Jordan, they have been to Italy, as we can detect from the Roman ruins there, like the Colosseum. And they also have been to Germany, Jerusalem, and even to Syria and many other places as well. And now we are at the top of a place that's called the Shrine, the Roman Shrine. This is the graveyard of the kings that lived here. So this actually is considered as their tomb. So this is the view of the Hippodrome from above. As you can see, it's a very large and huge place, since it's been used for racing, for horse racing, and many other activities as well. So what we're looking at is the Royal Oval Forum, which is made up of 56 columns that are made of limestone and was once the center of life in the city of Jerash. Those large columns are about 5 meters tall, and they are a very big sign that the Romans were powerful men at their time. And this place is considered one of the main features of the street, and it also leads to the Roman theater as well. So this is the entrance to the Roman theater, which was built by the Romans for concerts and parties and many other activities as well. This Roman theater can seat up to 3,000 spectators. So this is the Roman theater. We can see that it can seat up to 3,000 spectators. We cannot detect that by sight, but we can see that it can seat up so many spectators. And in the middle, if you stand in the middle of the platform, you can see that the voice can reach to the whole stadium. هيك فكرك؟
وان فيديو جيت هون على جرش، آثار جرش، المدرج الروماني. طبعا
And here we can see this Italian group coming to
لا
Jerash
كنت
as well to see these ruins, because these ruins are not just normal ruins for them, they represent and look like the same ruins
yeah sure.
that are in Italy, because they are both coming from the same era and from the same civilization as well. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and comment on our channel, and maybe give us a like to this video if you like it, and we'll see you in the next video.